Have you ever wondered what it would take for one car to revolutionize the entire EV market? Imagine a vehicle that not only combines sleek design and cutting-edge technology, but also brings these features to an accessible price point, making it the ultimate game-changer for eco-conscious drivers everywhere. Welcome to the story of the 2025 BYD Atto 3, an electric vehicle that's setting a new standard for what EVs can achieve. The year is 2025. Streets are buzzing with electric cars from different brands, but there's one that stands out, drawing attention wherever it goes, the BYD Atto 3. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a testament to BYD's mastery in crafting high-quality electric vehicles that are both stylish and practical. But what makes the Atto 3 so special? What's causing the buzz? The magic starts under the hood, or rather, within the very core of this EV. At the heart of the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is the company's revolutionary blade battery technology. Known for its reliability, extended lifespan, and exceptional efficiency, this battery isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. Imagine embarking on a long road trip without the anxiety of frequent charging stops. The blade battery significantly extends the range, giving drivers the confidence to journey farther while minimizing downtime. This means the Atto 3 is perfect for both city commuting and long-distance adventures. But that's just scratching the surface. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that is as inviting as it is futuristic. With a focus on practicality and comfort, the interior of the 2025 Atto 3 doesn't disappoint. Picture yourself sinking into plush seats surrounded by a spacious and elegantly designed cabin. The BYD team didn't hold back when it came to crafting an environment that feels like a step into the future. At the center of this space lies a state-of-the-art multimedia system, a large touchscreen display that acts as your gateway to navigation, Wi-Fi, and a whole suite of connectivity options. It's a setup designed not just for the driver but for everyone on board, ensuring an engaging and convenient ride no matter the distance. Now, let's talk about safety, an area where the 2025 BYD Atto 3 truly shines. We all know that in today's fast-paced world, safety is paramount. The Atto 3 comes equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, from autonomous emergency braking and adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist. Imagine driving through bustling city streets or winding mountain roads with the assurance that these cutting-edge systems are actively working to keep you safe. BYD's commitment to consumer safety is clear. They aim to not just build cars, but to build trust and confidence among drivers. But what about those who are as passionate about sustainability as they are about style and performance? For the 2025 Atto 3, BYD made sustainability a cornerstone of its design philosophy. They didn't just stop at creating an eco-friendly electric powertrain, they took it further by choosing sustainable materials and employing green manufacturing processes. It's as if each vehicle is crafted with the future in mind, reflecting a modern, eco-conscious approach to automotive engineering. And when you're finally out on the road, the experience is nothing short of exhilarating. Thanks to its powerful electric motor, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 delivers instant torque that translates into rapid acceleration. Picture yourself effortlessly gliding through city traffic or cruising along the open highway. The ride is smooth, balanced, and remarkably quiet, an oasis of calm in a chaotic world. And let's not forget the regenerative braking system that adds another layer of efficiency, capturing energy during braking and feeding it back into the battery. It's like having a car that's always thinking a step ahead, always optimizing. When you put it all together, the groundbreaking battery technology, the luxurious yet practical interior, the top-tier safety features, the sustainable practices, and the exhilarating driving experience, you start to see why the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is more than just an electric vehicle. It's a bold step toward a future where technology, sustainability, and style go hand in hand. For those looking for a modern, eco-friendly car that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort, the BYD AO3 is a beacon of what's possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.